Last Saturday, Fleur released their Season 3 collection, and there was a couple things in here that caught my eye, but most of it was too expensive, so I just got one thing. And now, my package is here, so let's go ahead and unbox the new athletic hoodie from Fleur Season 3. This is a super big box, first of all. I've never had one piece of clothing come in a container so large. I got my scissors here, gonna go ahead and pop it open. Finally got it open, and inside we have a big blue box. No label on the box. Opening up for the first time. So as we can see on the ceiling of the box here, we have Fleur mascot Daryl the dog, looking very athletic as usual. And speaking of athletic, right underneath Daryl is the athletic hoodie. This box is really nice. Looking at this hoodie so far, I can tell the details are really nice. It has a nice big embroidered stitched logo. Finally added the make sure my hands are clean. It's got some weight to it. She's got some weight to her. Oh, I've actually forgot about the elbow patches on the back. Wow. For the elbow patches, it feels like a suede type material. It might be suede, it might be suede-like, but it's soft and it feels nice. On the front, we have this little Fleur tag, as you can see. Pretty much customary on anything that's Fleur. It always comes with a little tag. Checking out the inside tag, we got Daryl the dog. This season comes with a mustard yellow background. And if you look at this hoodie from last season, you'll see that the tag is actually way smaller than the tag from this season, Season 3. Checking out the inside tag of the hoodie, it's made of 100% cotton, made in Vietnam. And just to compare, this hoodie from last season was made out of 98% cotton and 2% polyester. Made in the USA. I'm also noticing that this hoodie from last year had the little flower patch on the sleeve, right? And this hoodie does not have any flower patch on either sleeve, but maybe the elbow patches make up for the flower patch. I'm not sure. Alright, so we checked out the exterior. We made a little comparison. Now I guess it's time to just try it on. Okay. So this is how the hoodie looks on my body. 155 pounds, 5'11", doctor's orders. For the elbow patch, when I bend my elbow, the tip of my elbow is right here. One thing I will say is that the hoodie from this season, Season 3, is definitely not as heavy on the body as this hoodie from last season. This one is a little bit thinner. I mean, it's still a hoodie, so it's heavy, but I'd say it's definitely not as heavy as the Daryl hoodie. For the hood size, I'd say, oh wow, oh whoa. This is a big hood. So the hood size is good. It doesn't have any drawstrings. It should stay on your head just fine. You know, I'm shaking my head around. It's still on. This one, I feel like the hood doesn't really stay on my head, like when I shake it around. I don't know. I guess the material of the interior of the new hood stays on your head better. I don't know if it's worth a $250 price tag. The suede elbow patches are nice. I like this. I like the fancy stitching, you know. By the way, this texture is, I don't know, plain cloth texture on that. It's not like suede or anything crazy. But anyway, this is a nice hoodie. I wouldn't say, in my opinion at least, that it's worth $250. Overall, I think it's nice. So I would give it a 8 out of 10. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, etc., you can leave them down below and I will go ahead and get back to you.